Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify, your go-to channel for all things finance and crypto. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet, a popular wallet that's primarily used for Solana but can now also store Bitcoin. It's super easy and convenient, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do it. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is install Phantom Wallet if you haven't already. You can do this on your computer or mobile device. To get started, go to the Phantom Wallet website at phantom.app. You will see options to download the wallet for Chrome, iOS, or Android. Choose the one that fits your device and follow the installation instructions. Once you have the Phantom Wallet installed, it's time to set it up. Open the app or extension and you will be prompted to either create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you are new to Phantom, click on Create New Wallet. Follow the prompts to generate a new seed phrase. Make sure to write down this seed phrase and store it somewhere safe. It's the only way to recover your wallet if you ever lose access to it. Phantom Wallet has recently added support for Bitcoin, which is awesome. To access this feature, open your Phantom Wallet and click on the Assets tab. Here, you will see a different cryptocurrencies that Phantom supports. Click on Add Manage Tokens and you should see Bitcoin listed. If you don't see it, make sure your Phantom Wallet is up to date. Before you can buy Bitcoin, you need to have some funds in your Phantom Wallet. If you already have some USDC or other supported stable coins, you are good to go. If not, you will need to deposit funds. To do this, click on the deposit button in your wallet. You will see options to deposit from a bank account, a credit card, or another crypto wallet. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the prompts to complete the deposit. Now comes the fun part, buying Bitcoin. Once your Phantom Wallet is funded, go back to the Assets tab and click on Bitcoin. You will see an option to buy Bitcoin. Click on that and you will be taken to a new screen where you can enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. You can either enter a specific amount of Bitcoin or an equivalent amount in USD or USDC. After entering the amount, review the transaction details including the fees and click Buy. After clicking Buy, you might need to approve the transaction, especially if you are using a two-factor authentication or have security settings enabled. Once the transaction is complete, your Bitcoin will appear in your Phantom Wallet under the Assets tab. And that's it. You have successfully bought Bitcoin using Phantom Wallet. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy way to buy Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if there's another tutorial you'd like to see. Thanks for watching Financify, and I'll see you in the next video.